Hello children. Welcome to aimsindia's online classes. In this video we will be discussing about some GK questions. Question number 1. Which one of the following is exclusively a winter dress? A. Trousers. B. T-shirt. C. Woolen coat. D. Frock. The correct answer is option C. Woolen coat. Woolen coat is exclusively a winter dress. They protect our body temperature by keeping us warm. Question number 2. Which one of the following is a wild animal? A. Bear. B. Cow. C. Goat. D. Dog. The correct answer is option A. Bear. Bear is a wild animal because it lives in forests. Question number 3. What is the work of a washerman? A. Sewing clothes. B. Washing clothes. C. Taking care of garden. D. Driving car. The correct answer is option B. Washing clothes. The washerman will wash the clothes. Question number 4. Which one of the following statements is correct about the personality given in picture below? A. He was a doctor. B. He was the first president of India. C. He is called Bapu. D. He was the first Prime Minister of India. The correct answer is option C. People in love used to call Mahatma Gandhi as Bapu. Question number 5. Which one of the following statements is incorrect about the picture given below? A. This is a place of worship. B. Hindus worship here. C. This is the place of worship for Christians. D. Hindu gods and goddesses are worshipped here. The correct answer is option D. Hindu gods and goddesses. In temples, Hindu gods and goddesses are worshipped. Question number 6. A world-famous monument is situated in Agra, and this is A. Qutub Minar. B. India Gate. C. Char Minar. D. Taj Mahal. The correct answer is option D. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Question number 7. Which one of the following is the brother in a relationship? A. Son of mother. B. Daughter of mother. C. Daughter of father. D. Brother of mother. The correct answer is option A. Son of mother. Son of our mother will be our brother. Question number 8. He is one of the most powerful animals found on the earth. He is also called the king of forest. Identify him. A. Cow. B. Lioness. C. Lion. D. Elephant. The correct answer is option C. Lion. Lion is the king of the forest. Question number 9. Which one of the following is a fruit? A. Potato. B. Brinjal. C. Capsicum. D. Apple. The correct answer is option D. Apple. Apple is a fruit. We have a saying regarding our health. Daily one apple keeps the doctor away. Question number 10. Which one of the following organs of our body helps us to identify the taste? A. Fingers. B. Tongue. C. Nose. D. Eyes. The correct answer is option B. Tongue. With the help of tongue we can identify different tastes like sweet, sour, salty, bitter. Question number 11. Which one of the following is rightly matched? A. Chacha Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Panther, domestic animal. C. Orange, vegetable. D. Potato, means of transport. The correct answer is option A. Chacha Nehru. People in love call Jawaharlal Nehru as Chacha Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Question number 12. Which one of the following options rightly describes the Indian national flag? A. Indian national flag has 4 colors. B. Indian national flag is complete white. C. Indian national flag has three colors. D. Indian national flag is only green. The correct answer is option C. Indian national flag has three colors. There are three colors in the national flag: deep saffron kesri at the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. Question number 13. Mosque is a place where Muslims underscore. A. Pray. B. Cook. C. Sleep. D. Study. The correct answer is option pray. Muslims offers their prayers in mosque as Hindus do in temples. Question number 14. Which one of the following festivals is known as the Festival of Light? A. Eid al-Fitr. B. Lari. C. Deepawali. D. Makar Sankranti. The correct answer is option C. Deepawali. Diwali is a festival of lights and one of the major festivals celebrated by Hindus, Jains, and Sikhs. Question number 15. On August 15, 1947, India got independence from whom? A. The British. B. The Bhutan. C. The Pakistan. D. The Bangladesh. The correct answer is option A. The British. On August 15, 1947, India became independent from the British Empire following the independence movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and his message of nonviolent resistance. Question number 16. Identify the badminton player from the given option. A. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. B. Saina Nehwal. C. Sania Mirza. D. Mary Kom. The correct answer is option C. Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza is an Indian professional tennis player. A former doubles world number 1, she has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. Question number 17. Which one of the following is not a means of transport? A. Bus. B. Train. C. Car. D. Television. The correct answer is option D. Television. Television is not a means of transport. It is means of entertainment. Question number 18. Name the Indian personality who is associated with cinema. A. Shah Rukh Khan. B. Zahir Khan. C. Dhanraj Pillai. D. Sonia Gandhi. The correct answer is option A. Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is a famous Bollywood actor. Question number 19. Outdoor games are played in the field in an open area, whereas indoor games are played inside the boundary. Which one of the following is an indoor game? A. Football. B. Hockey. C. Cricket. D. Table tennis. The correct answer is option D. Table tennis. Table tennis, also known as ping pong and wiff-waff, is a sport in which 2 or 4 players hit a lightweight ball. It is an indoor game. Question number 20. Sense organs are our windows to the world. Which one of the following is not a sense organ? A. Eyes. B. Nose. C. Hair. D. Ear. The correct answer is option C. Hair. Hair is not a sense organ. Question number 21. Animals live on land, in water, and in air. Which one of the following is a water animal? A. Cow. B. Dog. C. Goat. D. Whale. The correct answer is option D. Whale. Whale is an water animal. Question number 22. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth date of the second President of India, Drive S. Radhakrishnan. On which date it is celebrated? A. September 5th. B. October 2nd. C. November 14th. D. January 26th. The correct answer is option A. September 5th. On the occasion of Drive S. Radhakrishnan's birthday, September 5th is celebrated as Teacher's Day. Question number 23. Name the festival shown in the given picture. A. Eid al-Fitr. B. Lari. C. Diwali. D. Christmas. The correct answer is option B. Lari. Lari is a popular Punjabi winter folk festival celebrated primarily in the Punjab region. Question number 24. Which one of the following statements is true regarding the colors of flowers? A. The color of flowers is only red. B. The color of flowers is only pink. C. The color of flowers is only white. D. Flowers are of different colors. The correct answer is option D. Flowers of different colors. Question number 25. A girl calls my mother mummy. Who is she? A. My sister. B. My brother. C. My friend. D. My cousin. The correct answer is option A. My sister. That's all for today, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you, children. Have a good day.